So, have you ever looked at these little fuses and wondered why are those little notches there? I've kind of tinkered around with cars and fuses like this my whole life and never realized that the replacement tool is built into the fuse. All you got to do is just slide it on, and it will take a little force. So it kind of looks like that. And give it a pull. Who would have thunk it? I'm just surprised that nobody knows this, or at least I didn't know it. If you knew it, let me know down in the comments below. But this is one of those things where it's a great design, but if nobody knows how to use it, what does it really help? Got your own that you want to share? Leave in the comments below.